My name is Fanny. Today we are going to be speaking with Mr. Vivek Sood, the CEO of Global Supply Chain Group, about inventory management software. Good morning, Mr.
Good morning, Fanny, and good morning to the viewers out there.
Why don't you like using inventory management software?
Fanny, no, actually, this is not the right thing to say. I actually like inventory management software quite a bit. I think it is a very good tool, but like any tool, it is means to an end. You can use a tool for a very valuable effect. At the same time, you can also misuse the tool and cut your hand. So it is not right to say that I don't like it, but I don't like the way inventory management software is deployed in many companies, where people misuse the tool and then end up blaming the tool.
And what are some of the things to be careful of when selecting inventory management software?
When selecting inventory management software, one of the first things you have to be careful of is to make sure that the tool that you are selecting for your business is suitable for your business. Most of the inventory management software, they were invented for a particular application in a particular company. When it was invented, it suited perfectly for the company that was its first customer. Then the makers go out and find other customers who are very similar to the first customer. In each one of these cases, the applicability of the tool to the customer's needs is close to perfect. But as the company starts deploying the software wider and wider outside its core group of customers, the applicability becomes lesser and lesser. And as a result, sometimes they reach a point where the tool is sold to the customers, where there is very little applicability of the algorithms or the methodology that is built into the software itself. And that is when we see a lot of problems creeping up.
What are the cautions around using inventory management software?
Some of the things you need to be cautious about when using the inventory management software are that first thing, you have to make sure that the tool is suitable for your business. That while it might look very good in another business, which is very different than your business, could be in the same industry, but just the way they run their supply chain is very different. For example, if somebody is using a push system supply chain, their needs will be very different than a pull system supply chain. Now, assuming that you have made sure that the tool is the right tool for your business, you have to make sure that the people are properly trained in using that technology or tool. We have seen many cases where the complete functionality of a software never gets used for the simple reason that by the end of a implementation process, the budgets for training ran out, and as a result, a company never ends up fully using all the functionalities of a software. Third thing is, we have to make sure that the company's processes are fully aligned to the methodologies that are built into these tools.
And what results can we expect from inventory management software?
Fanny, the results you can expect from the inventory management software can vary a great deal. On one hand, if you select the right tool and deploy it properly, you can expect phenomenal results. Inventory reductions as high as 80% are possible, and we have seen these. On the other hand, if you do not select the right tool, or having selected the right tool, you do not deploy it properly, you can end up with disastrous results, Fanny. We have seen those results as well, and many times we are called in after that has happened to clear up the mess, where companies have actually grown their inventories as a result, or started losing customers as a result of stockouts.
Does Global Supply Chain Group recommend an inventory management software or solution?
Fanny, at Global Supply Chain Group, we are completely technology agnostic, and we have to remain that. We understand that all inventory management softwares are good in their own fields, which means if they are selected for the right application and used in the right manner, they are actually all very good. What we have to make sure is, first thing, the applicability of the tool to your particular circumstances. And secondly, we have to make sure of usability and deployment of the tool in the right manner. And for this reason, we do not recommend any software. What we say is that once we understand your business and once we make sure that the right software has been selected for the business, we will help you deploy it in the right manner and get you the results out of that software.
Thank you for your answer, Mr. Vivek Sood, and for the time you have granted for the interview.
Thank you very much.